How to change your PIN on Ace Wallet. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change your PIN on Ace Wallet application. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Ace Wallet application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Ace account. Now here enter your 4-digit code. After you enter your code, you will be directed to the home page. Now here tap on 3 lines present at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now here you can see change PIN. Tap on change PIN. To change your PIN, you need to first enter the password of your account. So enter your password on the given box. Then tap on submit. Now here again tap on change PIN option. After this, enter the new PIN that you want. After you do so, tap on Done option. With this, your PIN will be changed. Now here tap on OK option. With this, your PIN of Ace Wallet will be changed. Make sure you remember your new PIN so that you get access to your account. And this is how you change your PIN on Ace Wallet application. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.